K-Walk back again with my '02 GMC Sierra 4-wheel drive. My last video was me trying to figure out a miss that I had in it, and come to find out it was an injector, 2 of them. I had 2 bad injectors, so that ended up excellent. So like I said, I got to tear the tranny back out of here again, and I know of another known good one. This one was supposed to be good, but that's what happens sometimes. But the one I'm going to go get is in a running vehicle. But I'm about to go get that. So just letting you know an update about my $1,400 Craigslist pickup from Gulfport, Mississippi. So she got a few dents and dings, but she's gonna make me a good truck. Alrighty, checking out again.